Hey guys, this is the part 2 of the last video, 6.4. Something happened when I went to, after I paused it, and then it wouldn't re-record. So these are the answers that you should have gotten. Take a minute or so to kind of go through and check your work. Before I kind of start explaining it, I would encourage you to pause the video, look at each one in detail, kind of circle the ones that maybe you missed. I've starred several off to the left. These are the ones I anticipated most people having issues with or kind of getting wrong. And I'll talk about why they are in just a second. But pause it, look it over yourself, try to figure out your mistakes, and then I'll get through it and I'll kind of go over these ones in just a second. So when you take a look here at number 3 specifically, number 5 specifically, and number 12, okay, these three all are similar. I don't know what's going on here. Here we go. These ones are all similar, same issue. And why do you think I got the formula that I did and the name that I did versus what you did? Maybe you got chlorine aluminide or sulfur cesiide or nitrogen aluminide, but there's just some big issue that you guys looked over, and I even started earlier in the video. It's something that people will forget. You've got to make sure that your cations are first. They always have to come first. So even if they give it to you, and the regents will do this, even if they give you the nonmetal first, which is the anion, excuse me, you got to make sure that you switch it around when it gets to your formula. So aluminum chloride is the correct answer. Cesium sulfide and aluminum nitride. So that's those ones. The other ones that I have starred, number 6, number 8, and even number 12, okay, that's kind of the double one here, is your formulas may be different. Your names are probably the same, but your formulas might look different. And what you forget to do there, you gotta make sure you put it in the empirical formula. Ionic compounds, we're gonna simplify. So you may have had Sr2O2, you may have had Ca2O2, and you may have had Al3N3, or switching that last one around to N3Al3 if you missed both. But guys, you've got to make sure with ionic only, not molecular. Hear me on this one, not molecular, it's only ionic. That's why we're doing these ones all together right now. Taking a lot of time to practice it. Ionic, you will simplify. All right, so that's why those would be wrong if you had that. So if you have questions or other practice, guys, you'll be doing a lot more practice with this. It's a skill, so you've got to do the practice. But if you have questions, you can ask, and I will see you in the next video.